Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today. So the question is, please advise Google Ads bid simulator suggestion. I'm running a Google search ads with maximize click goal. Okay, your goal is to get maximize clicks. Okay, my budget is $20 per day, and I put bid limit $2 per click. I'm getting impression share around 18%. Here, her, okay, here is budget simulated data, and it is asking to raise bid from $2 to 3.65. How is justified it is to do that? My question: once it raises bid almost double, here is my gain. Here or where? Where is my gain? Will Google maximize CPC close to CPC? 3.65. Okay, let me see that first. Okay, this is your current over here, 20 bids current, and minimum bid limit required 3.65. Okay, so campaign budget simulator. Okay, okay. So here also they are saying that clear bid limit, increase bid limit from CA2 to 3.65, or keep current bid limit. Okay. Now to answer, I got your question. There are a few things, before I answer those things. Before I answer, I have few questions from you. Okay. Okay. First of all, have you installed conversion tracker? Yes or no? Have you done it or not? This is my question. Okay. This is my first question. Second question is, okay, uh, it is just a suggestion from Google, and you can always ignore or reject. Better is to reject it, because if in case if you ignore it, it will automatically be applied. So reject it. This is not always an idea. Right now, if I ask you, what are your current status with this $20 spending with $2 per click? Current results. Okay. I assume you are getting 10 clicks a day. Okay, dollar 2 into 10 is equal to $20, your daily budget. Okay, so are those 10 clicks reaching your goal or not? First, this question: if they are reaching your goal, you do not have to cheat them. If they are not reaching your goal, then you may have to work on different things, and we may discuss on either we should increase our CPC bid limit or not. The advantage of increasing CPC bid limit is to try different ad positions, and this only works well with good budgets in hand. Now, because we are just getting 10 clicks at $20, I believe that the budget is lower as well. So my recommendation is, do not do anything and simply reject this. You do not have to necessarily comply with the bid simulator suggestions you are getting over here. So you can simply ignore it. This cannot be justified. Only justification is what are your current status goals, and I can tell about later on if you are satisfied or not with your current status of your Google Ads performance. So I hope this answers your question. But in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And guys, in case if you're looking for a professional help, Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through one of the link in the description, and we're gonna help you to make sure to create an awesome Google Ads campaign. We look forward working with you, and thank you for watching. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.